Take 1½ tablespoon of oil in a pan and add about half a pound of okra. Shallow fry for about 7 to 8 minutes. Make slits so that the inside part of the okra can get cooked. Drain the excess oil by transferring the okras to a paper towel. Let's get all the ingredients ready for the spice powder. One tablespoon of peanuts, yellow lentils and coriander seeds, some red chilies to taste, cinnamon and cloves 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cumin, urad dal and sesame seeds. Dry roast all of these ingredients. It takes about less than 5 minutes. Transfer it to a plate so it cools down completely and grind it into a fine powder with the help of a spice grinder or a blender. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, some curry leaves and add 2 cups of finely diced onions. Saute for about 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of pureed tomatoes. Mix everything well. While continuing to cook on the low flame, add the freshly made spice powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix everything well. Make sure that the powder doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Add 1 cup of water and mix it well. Add 1½ cups of coconut milk and 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Tamarind is a sour paste. If you don't have it, you can skip it or use lemon juice or lime juice. Add the shallow fried okras and cook for about 10 minutes. Make sure that it's on the low to medium flame.